just got to the beautiful Ram River. Going after some cutties today. Look how beautiful it is. It's gonna be a good day. All right, let's try this again.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Told you. First cast, first cutting.
Wow. Yay!
First caught. First caught. Oh, the hook came out.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
And I got it on film. Yeah.
Oh, right on, Chelsey.
Just caught my first cutty ever. Wow. Beautiful. Nice fish.
Really nice fish. You want a picture?
Release it. Oh, get it. Right there. Cool, that's why it's called
That's a cutty.
cutty.
Okay.
All right, little guy. Bye. There you go. Try out one of my awesome getting hook lures. Happy I have my new waders. Pretty cool.
Get on here.
feel like I'll get stuck in there. I see those. Oh, got one.
Okay.
Little baby.
That little baby?
Oh, spit it.
Okay.
They're just tiny. That one.
Yep.
Just not bad.
That tip up on top of that pile. Look at the little guy. Right over here.
You can just unhook them and release them.
Okay.
Ooh, pretty! What a pretty fish!
So pretty, eh? Little guy. You should bend that barb over almost. Hi, little guy. Hey, there you go, honey.
Yeah!
There you go.
Oh, bye-bye!
Hi.
Bye-bye, trout.
High five.
Woo! Oops, I got a rod wet.
Take him in the water this side. You ready?
Yeah. Let's go in. Nice. What a phenomenal day so far. Landed about 4 or 5 cutties, lost a couple, doing some wading, doing some hiking. What a perfect day. I am so grateful for all of the amazing gear we have been lucky enough to have, and today big shout out to iWader. My trip wouldn't have been the same if I didn't have these amazing waders, and they're just so beautiful. My waders have been phenomenal today. My spinners from Getting Hook Lures, my hat, everything. We have some awesome gear, so be sure to check it out on our store, fishingandoutdoors.ca, or if you're not in Canada, fishingandoutdoors.net. I'm also wearing my awesome X-Specs sunglasses today, and they're polarized and it's phenomenal. I don't know how I survived without these sunglasses before, and if I happen to drop them in the water, they float. So I'm so excited for all the gear, so be sure to check it out. Well, that was quite a successful day for my first time ever going after cutthroat trout. It's a real tongue twister for me, so I just prefer to call them cutties. Thank you to all of our sponsors. Thank you to Rick at Goes to 11 Media. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you guys next week.